Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all this makeup look. This makeup look is inspired by Hina Khan. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching.
To start with, I'm going to tie my hair. For primer, I'm using Lakme's Blur Perfect Primer. I'm going to dot this all over my problematic area and then just tap it in. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. Again, I'm going to dot this all over my face and blend it with a brush. For concealer, I'm using NYB's concealer. I'm using this to highlight my under eye, ridge of the nose and my forehead. To set everything, I'm using L'Oreal Matte Magic powder. For my eyebrows, I'm using NYB's eyebrow pencil. For eyeshadow, I'm using Makeup Revolution's eyeshadow palette. I'm using the lightest shade as a base for my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take a brown color and just put it on my crease. Now I'm taking a pencil brush and putting some makeup fixing spray. Now I'm taking this dark orange color and just applying it on my crease. Again, I'm going to take a thinner brush and spray it with some makeup fixer, and I will take this green color and just apply it like an eyeliner. I'm putting some on my lower lash line as well. For the mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. Hina Khan has put a light light contour, so I'm using the Savannah Colors contour palette and contouring my cheekbones. I'm also going to contour my nose because Hina Khan has very sharp nose. Then for the highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild's Precious Petals highlighter. For the lipstick, I'm using NY-based lip crayon. Also, Hina Khan has glossy lips, so I am topping it up with Essence lip gloss.
If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.